Hello and good morning to everyone. This is my second video of linear inequalities in two variables D4 exercise 1a. This lesson is the extension of my previous lesson. In this lesson, I will be teaching you different regions associated with different types of lines and inequalities. Here, I will be teaching you actual regions. I have already drawn some coordinate axes for you people. We know that when any point is on y-axis, its x value is 0 and equation of y-axis is x equals to 0. When we need to plot x greater than equals to 0, means we need the positive values of x, and we know x values are positive in the first and fourth quadrant. So for this situation, for x greater than equal to 0, we will be shading first and fourth quadrant. It means towards right of y-axis. Coming to the second situation, that x less than equals to 0. For x less than equal to 0 means that we need the negative values of x, and we know x values are negative in the second and third quadrant. So for this situation, you need to shade the second and third quadrant completely or towards left of y-axis. Coming to the next situation, that can be x greater than equal to 1 or 2 or 3. First of all, you have to draw a line at that point. Now look at the inequality condition given. We need values of x which are greater than and equal to 1. We know that after 1 we have 2, 3. Other values of x are greater than this number. So for such situations, we will be shading towards right of this line. Then coming to the next situation, suppose we can have x less than minus 2. Then we have to first draw the line at that point, that is minus 2, and we need the values which are less than this value. So we will be shading towards the left of this line. Coming to the next situation, we know that when any point is on x-axis, its y value is 0 and equation of x-axis is y equals to 0. Now, in order to shade y greater than equals to 0 means we need the positive values of y, and we know y values are positive in first and second quadrant. So for this situation, you will be shading your first and second quadrant. Coming to the next situation, y less than equal to 0 means that we need negative values of y. For that purpose, we know that y values are negative in the third and fourth quadrant. So we will be shading on below side of x-axis. Coming to the next situation, suppose y is less than equal to 1. First of all, draw the line at y equals to 1. And then see, we need condition y less than equal to 1. That we need values of y less than this number. So y values are less than this number towards this side. So we will be shading below this line. Coming to the next situation, like y greater than minus 2. Here you have to pay special attention that you have to draw the broken line, and we need y values greater than minus 2. So we know that y values are positive towards upside. So we will be shading upside this line. So coming to the conclusion point, we can see that for all vertical lines, we have to use the language left or right of line. And for all horizontal lines, we have to use the language above or below the line. I hope through this discussion, you are clear about these types of inequalities. For further understanding of the plotting of y equals to mx plus c form, you have to watch me in the next lesson. But before leaving the class, you must have to watch, like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of every next video. Thank you very much.